What's good guys, this is Azim Ali and I'm back with another video. I hope you are all having a great day, and in today's video I'm going to give you top 5 supplements to put on that muscle. With that being said guys, moving on to the first supplement of this video, that will be your creatine. Now guys, creatine are in various forms out there. You can pick up any form of creatine if you want. It doesn't matter whether it's monohydrate or it's some other form of creatine. You can use any form of creatine. And guys, creatine is the most efficacious and the most effective supplement out there in the terms of its price as well. It is the cheapest supplement out there in the market, and it will also be your most effective supplement because it will help you with building muscle, putting on muscle, and it will also help you push harder in the gym. And there has been a research done on creatine where it has also been told that it can also help you with your cognitive therapy as well. So I would highly recommend that you guys use 5 grams of creatine on a daily basis. You don't need to load it until and unless you haven't been using for a long time. Then what I would highly recommend is give it 2 weeks to load 5 to 7 grams of creatine on a daily basis. Then get off it and then get back to 5 grams of creatine. So you have to use creatine guys, because what creatine will do for you is it will help you instantly with your strength. It will increase your strength in all your compound lifts as well, and it will also increase the rep range that you can push yourself in the gym for. Moving on to the next supplement, and a supplement you all know, everyone in the gym fraternity knows about, is whey protein. Guys, whey protein is the most important supplement if you want to hit your protein goals, because you can't hit your protein goals through all of the food that you are consuming throughout the day. Especially if you are a vegetarian, you need to hop on whey protein so that you can hit your whey protein goal of at least 1 pound of body weight per day. So I would highly recommend, if you are a vegetarian, then you should go for whey protein isolate or whey protein concentrate as well. If you are not lactose intolerant, then I would highly recommend that you can go for whey protein concentrate as well. Now the next thing that you need to keep in mind is guys, there is no such thing as anabolic window. So if you are thinking ki I have to drink a protein shake as soon as I get done with my workout, that isn't important at all. That is just a myth out there, and you don't need to consume protein just after your workout. You can come home and you can consume your protein shakes later in the day as well. You have 5 hours for that period to consume your protein shake. So don't worry about hitting your protein as soon as you get completed with your workout. But protein will help you repair that muscle. Protein helps with muscle protein synthesis. Guys, what muscle protein synthesis is protein will help you repair that muscle. You go into the gym and you break that muscle down. What protein does is it helps you repair that muscle. Now moving on to the next supplement of this video guys, it doesn't matter in the long run as much, but if you want to make gains in the short run, this supplement will definitely help you. It's beta alanine. Guys, what beta alanine does for you is it helps you once again push a bit harder in the gym. That means if you are someone who's training in the hypertrophy rep range, then beta alanine can help you push a bit harder. So it will help you push for extra 2 or 3 more reps that you have been left out with. And believe me, in the long run, extra 2 and 3 reps matter a lot guys, because you need to train till failure, and the more advanced you get, the harder you need to train. So the more harder you need to train, you need those extra 2-3 reps in the tank, and that is what beta alanine is going to help you with. So I would highly recommend you hop onto beta alanine if you want to make more muscle gains. So guys, with that being said, moving on to the fourth supplement of this video, that will be your multivitamins. Now guys, multivitamins don't directly help with adding on muscle, but multivitamin helps in the long run in the terms of कि multivitamin will help you synthesize your protein better. And what I mean by that is guys, there's this thing that occurs in your body, that is your muscle protein synthesis, which will help you digest protein better, which will help you metabolize protein better. So if you are someone out there who has a hard time digesting all of that protein, multivitamin will help you with that, in terms of it will help you with synthesizing your protein better. So that protein that you actually consume will actually get digested very efficiently, especially if you are a lifter. who has been lifting for some time and who needs to consume more protein, who needs to push more protein into his body, then especially for you guys out there, you need to consume more multivitamins. So what I would recommend is go for 2 or 3 pills a day of multivitamin depending on which brand you are using. With that being said guys, moving on to the 5th supplement of this video, that will be your pre-workout. And now guys, the reason why pre-workout, once again the pre-workout isn't directly correlated to adding on muscle. But once again, what pre-workout does for you is pre-workout has caffeine in it. Pre-workout has taurine in it, and pre-workout has L-citrulline in it, which helps you push a bit harder in the gym. And guys, what pre-workout will do for you is pre-workout will get you amped up. If you are in a shitty mood or if you are down in the dumps, then pre-workout will help you push a bit harder in the gym. Especially it will help you push more reps in the gym as well. Guys, what pre-workout does for you is it gets you amped up all of a sudden. Even if you are feeling down, pre-workout will get you amped up. So even though pre-workout isn't directly correlated to adding muscle, but it will help you train harder in the gym. And believe me, especially when you are an advanced lifter, training hard is the only way you are going to add muscle. So add that pre-workout into your trainings as well. With that being said guys, I will be ending this video right here. And if you actually enjoyed this video, show some love by liking this video. Comment down in the comment section below if you have any further queries, and if you have any more suggestions on what videos you guys would like to watch, then comment down in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also press on the notification bell. Until next time, have a nice day guys. See you.